Hello, this is day 9 of Kitchen Remodel and it's complete. Wow, exciting. All the cabinet is installed. You can see how it looks like from the living room, from the family room, from the kitchen, and you can also see that in certain angle you can see the whole 3 windows for the house. This is looking from the dining room to the kitchen because the white color and the black handle, it made the window vision that vivid and made your feeling refreshing and very good to get energy or just calm down. This is the detail work that FD Remodel Inc. people help me to do. I'm very happy with the result, and we start putting stuff into the cabinet, which is a big task. I don't want to think about that. I just want to be happy that the kitchen remodel is done. This is where I open the new hood. As you can see, you can open automatically. This is going from the kitchen to the small family room. And from small family room, you can see the pantry and the island and the new light I bought from Wayfair. I love the light. It looks so elegant. After kitchen remodel, looking the view from the window is so peaceful and so clear. You really feel the life is living. Even though the dining table looks a bit tight, but it fits. Really enjoy the floor now. The space looks so much bigger in all angles. Beautiful kitchen. This is the kind of effect I'm looking for. Everybody warned me how difficult it is to clean. I start to worry too. But let me just be happy that the kitchen remodel is done. It's complete in 9 days. I never imagined it can be done so quickly. I talked to Peter today, who is the boss of FD Remodel Inc. He said that the crew really rushed to help me finish as soon as possible. And thanks for the people who do the countertop. They work on Sunday. That's just unbelievable. Thank them so much. I am very happy in terms of how everything look out and how my painting actually fit nicely with all the decoration. I'm also very happy with the Fantai hood, where you can just use a touch to open. This window looks so much bigger too, and I cleaned the window completely to help me see everything. This is the last part of kitchen remodel, LED light. Look at the effect. It adds lights in the bottom of the upper cabinet and the bottom of the cabinet. I really enjoy the effect. It looks so fancy and so 21st century. This is the angle from the kitchen to the dining room. The light has been switched. So is the family room. I bought this light from Wayfair. Totally worth it. I think from now on, cooking in this angle, looking at the window, will be so relaxing and enjoyable. If you like this range hood, you have to comment and let me know. This is the video to shoot the LED light. I did not change to flashing or heart shape, but you can do that with the remote control. It has 5 remote control, so to do them all at once is kind of difficult. But you can set it and then turn the light on, and it will have the same effect. Fancy, and you can dance with it too. Do you think it's worth it? Or it's way too much money to spend? How do you like my new kitchen? Comment and let me know. How long does it take you to do your kitchen remodel? 9 days for me. Thank you for watching.